Alright, let's get into it. I was doing my practice. Today I was watching a clip by Robert Baker. I'll leave a link in the description. He was talking about an Eddie Van Halen lick. And here's the notes that he was using on 6, 7, 9 on the A string, 6, 7, 9 on the D string, and then the 6 on the G string. So they're the notes that he was using. And I just thought about the pattern and the sequence and how I could incorporate it into my soloing. I mean, it's going to sound nothing like Eddie Van Halen, but what I'm doing is I'm stealing the idea and trying to incorporate it into what I'm doing, like I just said. So anyway, we changed key. We're in E major. And also, if you wanted some extra notes, then you can just add I mean, whatever you want, really, but you know, that is they're straight out of a major pentatonic scale. There's the top part of that major pentatonic scale. So yeah, and I was just jamming around on it, you know, just having a bit of fun with that pattern. So grab your guitar and have a bit of a jam. I'm still playing clean as well, just to just so I can hear everything properly, that's all. It's just really made a huge difference playing clean. I can go down a touch. Alright, so just take those notes. So you get the idea. I heard a great quote today. I'll leave you with this one. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. And yeah, someone said, what was the quote? That if you spend 18 minutes a day, 7 days a week, for 1 year, whatever you're doing, gymnastics, guitar, soccer, cricket, whatever, if you spent 18 minutes a day working on that discipline, then you would be better than 95% of the world's population after 1 year. If you can do it, then it's definitely worthwhile. So anyway, something to think about.